Hello, in this video I will show you how you can set photo as keyboard theme on OnePlus Nord 5. So first of all you have to get a keyboard on your screen, so you can do it by using a browser. For example, you have to get a keyboard like this on your screen. Now when it's done, click on this settings icon over here and go to theme section, and here on the top you can find this plus icon over here, so click on it and now you are able to select photo from your gallery. So let's take this one for example, and now you can adjust the scale of this photo. You can pinch to scale, drag to move. So when it's done, just simply click next, and also you can adjust brightness over here by using this slider. Click done, and now you can also adjust key borders over here by using this switcher. When it's done, click apply, and as you can see I have my photo as my keyboard theme. So basically that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe.